shit, but I did stop doing those because I felt like it was pointless just recording every morning, like especially if I didn't have like a topic or a message or something like that. So I figured better to record like a whole bunch of footage over like a week, 2 weeks or some shit like that, and then accumulate it into one vlog. And then especially with this summertime, at least I'm gonna be doing a lot more shit outside. Bro, this is the one thing I despise the most about this cold weather. Look at it. Can't even tell where the road meets pavement. This is probably the first time y'all see me recording a tie. Because this is the first time I'm actually recording after work rather than before. Like I was normally doing with my other videos where you'd always see me super early and I'd just be wearing like my hoodie or whatever I use to go out for a walk or go for my jog. Whereas like now, well, it's hard to see the tie because it's a black shirt and a black tie, but you know, just figured I'd keep collecting vlog footage. So you guys are eventually going to see this somewhere in a vlog. I don't think I've scheduled the video yet, but I did mention I'm gonna start doing, so to cut up the daily stuff I was doing, I might as well rather do it weekly. And so in doing that, I would essentially just collect a bunch of like the videos, the recordings and all this stuff, and then mash them together and send them out into what would be a sort of vlog, but not really a vlog. It would just be like me out and about, you know, doing shit. I still ain't recorded like on the bus as well though. I still feel so weird holding my phone up on the bus. But there we go, the tie is a little more visible now. You can see it. But yeah, as always, hope you guys are having a dope ass blessed day wherever you're watching this from the world. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay dangerous.